In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Samsung. Begin by opening Play Store and getting this app called Launcher OS from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, open it. Then hit Get Started. Select I agree to terms and conditions and choose Continue twice. Then tap on while using the app in the pop-up and allow in all the other ones. Close and add. Click on Set as Default and tap on Launcher Pro to apply it. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you want to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by going back to the same app, clicking Set as Default and tapping on your default launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!